Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Saurabh. So first of all, I wanted to wish you all a Shubho Vijaya and those who are celebrating the Dashera. So to them, happy Dashera. May Goddess Durga bless you with happiness and peace, and you may achieve all your upcoming certifications, career endowments, and etc. So thank you. Let's get started with the first course today. That is new and low code AI marketing automation. If you are a marketing professional and want to know more about AI on marketing, this 10.5 hours course will help you know about marketing. Next, we have AI driven marketing analysis and prediction. This includes more than 9 hours course time, assignments, one article. I hope that will help you. Next, we have how to generate marketing leads with AI. That is a premium course and that's free 14 hours course with role play, one article, and certificate of completion reserved as always. Master Marketing Automation with Microsoft Copilot, that is role play course, 7 hours on demand video, two articles, and assignments. Sales Operations, the complete masterclass, 20 courses in one, and that's a premium course, 32 plus hours course time, 12 articles, 56 downloadable resources. Next, we have sales management streams, frameworks, and processes. How you are going to do a best sales. Here in this 12 hours course time will help you knowing more about that. And 14 articles with 45 downloadable resources are there. Next, we have another closing with confidence techniques to develop your business. Again, a sales course, and that includes 4 hours on demand video with 5 articles and 8 downloadable resources. Next, we have business development and sales processes, a bird's eye view, where you can learn sales again with 19 hours on demand video, one practice test, 21 articles, 70 downloadable resources. Next, we have marketing analytics, customer value, and promotion strategy, which is free and a premium course, and that having 1.5 hours course time. Sales management and processes, practical sales masterclass, where you will learn more about sales with 8 hours course, 9 articles, and 5 downloadable resources. Next, we have data analyst professional certificate in data analysis, where you will be getting 22 hours on demand video, 156 articles, 89 downloadable resources, role play, which is completely free for you, and that is a premium course. Next, we have professional certificate in SQL and SQL for data analysis, where you will be learning more about professional data SQL and data analysis using SQL, which has 2 hours on demand video with role play and 32 downloadable resources. Next, we have another course on SQL where you will be learning more about SQL with hands-on SQL Server, Management Studio, SQL Queries, Azure Studio, which includes 2 hours course time. Next, we have Master Power BI, Microsoft Power BI from beginner to data analyst pro, where you will having 1.5 hours course time, where you will be knowing more about Microsoft Power BI. Next, we have Google Data Studio A to Z, Looker Studio for data visualization, where you can learn Google Data Studio from start to end, which includes 4.5 hours course time. Next, we have Google BigQuery and PostgreSQL, BigQuery for data analysis, and that is our highest rated course on Udemy, and that is free for you. 11.5 hours course time, 41 coding exercises, 11 articles are there. Next, we have data visualization with Python and new methods in Matplotlib. That 3.5 hours on demand video, and that includes 39 lectures, and that's free for you. Expert certificate, marketing, data analysis, and data analytics. That includes 3.5 hours course time, 38 articles, 17 downloadable resources, and certificate of completion, and that's for free. Professional certificate, finance, data analysis, and analytics, and that is a role play course, premium course, 5 hours on demand video, 50 articles, and 18 downloadable resources. Next, who wants to learn Python for data analysis? This course for you. 4.5 hours course time is there. One article, one downloadable resources is there, and you may check this out. Next, we have operations and process management, data analysis, and data analytics course that having 3.5 hours course time with 31 articles, 22 downloadable resources. Next, we have practical SQL query and managed databases that have 1.5 hours course time, includes 2 articles and 18 downloadable resources. Next, we have Python data visualization mastery from beginner to expert, which includes 3 hours course time, which is free for you. Next, we have AI prompt engineering mastery from basics to advanced that includes 6 hours course time with role play and one article. Next, we have mastering AI video creation with Sora, and that includes 4.5 hours course time with one article, one downloadable resources. We have next generative AI for personal productivity, get more done. That includes 20.5 hours course time and includes role play, assignments, one article. Next, we have DeepSeek AI, complete guide to DeepSeek and 20 plus other AI tools. That is a premium course and that's free for you. And that includes 37 hours course time, role play, assignments, one articles, 11 downloadable resources. Next, we have complete machine learning with RStudio ML for 2025. That is a premium course, includes 12 hours on demand video, assignments, 7 articles, 8 downloadable resources. Next, we have artificial neural networks for business managers in RStudio. That includes 7.5 hours on demand video, one practice case, assignments, 4 articles. Next, we have convolutional neural networks in Python, CNN computer vision. That includes 8 hours on demand video, 5 coding exercises, 7 articles, 1 downloadable resources, and that's for free. Next, we have image recognition for beginners using CNN in RStudio, and that includes 6.5 hours on demand course time and 6 articles. Next, we have artificial neural networks ANN with Keras in Python and R. That includes 8.5 hours course time, includes 5 coding exercises and 6 articles, 4 downloadable resources. Next, we have linear regression and logistic regression in Python, where you will learning more about ML models, which includes 7.5 hours course time, 5 coding exercises, 9 articles, and 8 downloadable resources. Next, we have linear regression and logistic regression using RStudio. I think it is same. Sorry, it's RStudio. So sorry, and that's a premium course, and that includes 6 hours on demand video, and where you will be getting 2 downloadable resources, assignments, and 4 articles. Next, we have machine learning and deep learning projects in Python. That includes 20 practical projects of machine learning and deep learning. That includes 5.5 hours course time, 39 articles, 83 downloadable resources. Next, we have programming. That is complete Flutter Guide 2025, build Android, iOS, and web applications. It is the highest rated course with a role play option. That is a premium course as well, and it includes 24.5 hours course time, one coding exercise, 26 articles. Next, we have another course from Flutter, Dart and Flutter, the ultimate mobile app development course that includes 9.5 hours course time, and you will be learning more about Dart and Flutter here. Next, we have mastering Solidity, the Ethereum programming language, which will help knowing more about Ethereum programming language that includes 35 hours course time. Next, we have Java Complete Code for Beginners with Exercises 2025. That is a free premium course, and that includes more than 16 hours course time with 61 coding exercises, 1 articles, 3 downloadable resources. Next, we have Java OOP, which is Object Oriented Programming with exercises. That is free premium courses, and that has 3.5 hours course time. Java Basics in practice with 35 plus exercises and quizzes that includes 5 hours on demand video, 19 coding exercises, 1 article, 4 downloadable resources where you will be learning more about it. Next, we have Java Concurrency, multi-threading with exercises 2025 that has 3.5 hours course time. Next, we have project-based Python, create 8 powerful tools step by step, which includes more than 5.5 hours course time. Complete Python and machine learning financial analysis, where it includes 20.5 hours course time, 19 articles, 18 downloadable resources. We have JavaScript mastery from basics to advanced, that includes 4 hours course time, 9 downloadable resources. Next, we have complete jQuery course, learn from beginner to advanced, where you will be getting 4 hours course time. Next, we have create an animated landing page by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which includes 2 hours course time, 3 coding exercises, 1 practice test, 2 articles, and 8 downloadable resources. Next, we have data center infrastructure and design, operation and maintenance. That includes free course of 3 hours on demand video, and that's a premium course. Professional certificate in DevOps, where you want to learn more about DevOps fundamentals. This 1 hour course will give you understanding with 4 articles with 5 downloadable resources. Next, we have RPA, Microsoft Power Automate Desktop Intelligent Automation, where you will be learning on this premium course with RPA with Microsoft Power Automate, and that includes more than 5 hours course time, and you will be getting a certificate of completion at the end. Advanced RPA, Microsoft Power Automate with AI Builder, where it includes 2 hours course time. If you want to know about AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, the School of AI Certified Solution Architect Associate course includes 6 hours course time, which includes 3 articles, will help you knowing more about AWS Solution Architect. Want to know more about PowerShell regular expressions? This course is for you, and that includes 1.5 hours course time, where you will be learning more about PowerShell regex. Quantum computing fundamentals with Microsoft Azure Quantum, that includes 2.5 hours course time, where you will be learning more about quantum programs with Microsoft Azure. Next, we have project management. Professional certificate in project and process management, where you will be learning more about project management. This includes 2.5 hours on demand video, 24 articles with 17 downloadable resources, and that's a premium free course. Project management basics for non-project manager, where you will be learning more about project management. That 2.5 hours course includes 3 articles, 2 downloadable resources will help you. Preparation for Scrum with Kanban exam, and this 3.5 hours course with 6 articles, 2 downloadable resources will help you out knowing more about Scrum with Kanban exam. Mastering Jira with Atlassian Intelligence and Rovo, where you will be learning more about Jira. That includes 2.5 hours course time. Agile Kanban for software development teams, which is a premium course, and that includes 3.5 hours course time, 5 articles, and 3 downloadable resources. Next, we have the complete Scrum guide for Scrum Masters and Agile teams, and that's a premium course that includes 2.5 hours course time, includes role play, 2 downloadable resources, and 3 articles. Next, we have Agile Project Management, Agile Scrum, and Kanban and XP. That includes 5.5 hours course time, includes a role play, 12 articles, and 4 downloadable resources. If you want to know more about Atlassian Confluence, that A to Z Confluence for new users, where you will be learning more about Confluence, that's a premium course that includes 5.5 hours course time, 2 articles, one downloadable resources. Next, we have interview and resume mastery from resume to job offer, where it includes 2 hours course time, 2 articles, 46 downloadable resources. You will be then the best on your resume, and it will be 8 years formatted, I hope. Next, we have a PhD toolkit who are looking for PhD course and pursuing PhD. This course may help you with 5.5 hours on demand video with 8 articles and 2 downloadable resources. C level management 100 models for business 5 in 1 course. That's a premium course. Here it includes 14 hours course time, 14 downloadable articles, 65 downloadable resources, and etc. Next, we have Microsoft Office Specialist, Microsoft Excel Advanced. That's a premium course that includes 1.5 hours course time, 2 articles, and 15 downloadable resources. Zero to Hero in Microsoft Excel, Complete Excel Guide 2025, where it includes 10.5 hours on demand video, 21 articles, 89 downloadable resources. Next, we have Marketing Analytics and Retail Business Management using Excel, and that includes 8 hours on demand video, 8 articles, 2 downloadable resources. Last but not the least, tools for working from home, where you will be learning more about Google application, Trello, and Zoom application that includes 2 hours on demand video, 4 articles, and certificate completion is as always. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. If you yet not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and comment if you have any improvement points or suggestions. Please comment. And if you think that these courses may help others, so please consider sharing this video to other people so that other people can leverage this free education opportunity. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next video.